Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today what we're going to do is, using some Nye Nose Scar Wax, we're going to create a splinter and how to do a splinter. So let's get cracking. First get a little bit of the scar wax and then place it where you want your splinter to be. I just want it on my hand here, my finger, and then just smooth out that wax into the skin. Properly smooth it out. And now once you've done that, using the same palette knife, cut in a little bit where you want the splinter to go. Now once you've done that, grab your little bit of blood, put a little bit of blood into there. So you got the tiniest little bit. And grab your piece of wood that you want to turn into a splinter. Dip a little bit of it into the blood. And this, I'm just using a broken toothpick for this. And then just place the splinter inside. And gently push it down. Not to remove any of the wax. And then that's looking quite good already. But I just want to add a little bit of wax. Tiniest little bit onto the top of it. Just using my finger, holding that splinter down. Wax over the splinter and up and around. This will give it more of an illusion that the splinter is actually in the skin and has penetrated the actual skin itself. And there you have it. Very, very quick, very simple splinter. Obviously you can use any piece of wood or anything like that. I've just used a toothpick to do it, and you can probably do it without the blood as well. And there you've got it. And then just to remove it, just getting your tweezers again, grabbing that wood ever so gently, and then because we've put the tiniest little bit of blood on there already, it's going to look like a natural extraction of the splinter. And then you've got your little bit of the wax here, which makes it look like the skin's just peeled off and removed. And there you have it. A very simple, very quick splinter extraction and removal. Boom, done. And remember, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, comment in the comments section below, and subscribe. And remember, don't be cute, be gorgeous. Bye.